mimi naangaliaga naona sometimes friends huwa wanapost, sababu tell me why. Ukuwa na let's say an idea, a business idea, maybe something new that maybe you are excited about, then waambie 5 of your friends, most probably utafanya hiyo kitu, sababu watakudiscourage, watakwambia pia iwezi, watakwambia thing. Wewe mwenyewe ukiangalia utaona by the way sifai kufanya hivi, nafaa kufanya hivi sababu so ameniambia. So at some point our friends wao wanatupost na hatufai kuwa tunawa-influence kwa everything. Let's take uko na a content idea business, wewe fanya, then maybe wacha wakupate mbele ndio waulize kama ushaanza au umepika. Ukiwaambia the start, most probably your idea itakufa. They will discourage you at the bigger percent. Yes, the same of friends who are siding, but at the bigger percent to the most of friends who want to discourage, kufanya this, kufanya na certain way. And I think the way maybe we brand it, the way we had done it, I think the way we planned your business and the idea that you want, ingework on your favor. So yeah, friends are good, but sometimes friends are our worst enemies, to be honest.